Okay, so today we're going to be making some mushrooms, stuffed mushrooms. So first you want to cut the stems of the mushroom, and then you're going to take about 2 tablespoons of garlic cloves minced up. And then after that, you're going to grab about a tablespoon or 2 of onion. I kind of just add it, but 2 tablespoons. Then pour some olive oil in a pan, medium-high heat, sizzle that around, mix it around. Then use a good grains bag and pour that on in there. And then you're going to want to let that cook for about 7 minutes, stirring it occasionally. When 7 minutes is up, take it off the heat, put parchment paper on a baking sheet, and then place your mushrooms that have been stemmed from before. And then you're just going to fill up your mushrooms with about, I would say, like 3/4 cup of the mixture. And after that, you want to top it with some feta cheese and place it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the oven. And then they're all done, and they are so good and delicious.